Hello boys and girls. We're going to try something a little bit new. We're going to get out of our comfort zones and we're going to do a reading today over the computer. And today we're going to be learning and reading about ocean ecosystems. And we're very lucky in Long Branch that most of us know a lot about the ocean because we live very close to the ocean. We are a shore community. But that word ecosystem is a word we might not be familiar with. An ecosystem is just a fancy word to describe a place where plants and animals live together. And while we're listening to our reading today, I want you to think about what did you find interesting about ocean ecosystems and what new thing did you learn? The ocean is one huge body of water that surrounds all the land on Earth. Can you find the ocean on this map? What do you know about the ocean and the animals that live there? Now you can pause this video and turn to the person with you and explain what you know about the ocean and ocean animals. Looking at the ocean's surface, it's hard to believe that underneath it lies many ecosystems, all full of amazing creatures. Ocean ecosystems can be deep, shallow, warm, freezing cold, sunny, or completely dark. Scientists have divided the ocean into different zones based on how much light they get. Sunlight doesn't reach very deep into the ocean, so it's darker the deeper you go. Ocean plants and animals have adapted to survive in whatever zone they live in. What other ecosystems are divided into layers or zones? We learned about one in one of our earlier units. See if you can make a connection. What other ecosystem is divided into layers? When we were learning about the rainforest, we learned that the rainforest was divided into layers also. The tallest layer was the emergent layer, and then underneath that was the canopy, and then the understory, and finally the forest floor. Both the ocean and the rainforest are divided into zones. Many plants and animals live in the sunlight zone, where the sun warms the water and fills it with light. One sunlight zone ecosystem is the coral reef ecosystem. Coral reefs are like neighborhoods of plants and animals. They provide shelter and protection for a lot of life in the sunlight zone. One incredible sunlight zone animal is the sea star. Most sea stars have 5 arms, but some of them have more. They creep along the ocean floor using thousands of tiny suckers called tube feet. Their predators include ocean birds, sea turtles, and crabs. Why do you think these creatures are called sea stars? Turn to the person next to you and tell them. Pause the video until you're done discussing. Why are these animals called sea stars? The sea star has a great trick to stay alive if it's caught by a predator. If the predator bites off one of its arms, the sea star can grow a new one. The broken arm can even grow into a new sea star. The sunlight zone is the only place where plants can grow because plants need sunlight to survive. Plants turn light from the sun into food for themselves. We'll continue this book in the next video.